In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key using Elevenlabs. If you're working with this platform, having an API key is essential as it allows your applications to communicate effectively with Elevenlabs services. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Elevenlabs website. If you're using a web browser, type in elevenlabs.io. Write single quote to get to their homepage. This is your starting point. Next, you'll need to either create a new account or log into an existing one. This ensures that you have access to all the functionalities you need. If you haven't yet signed up, look for a button or link that says sign up and follow their prompts to create an account. For those who already have an account, simply click on the login button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate your way down to the bottom left corner of the page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Developers. Click on this to access the developer settings, where you can manage your API keys and other development-related tools. After you're in the developer section, look for the Quick Links area. Under Quick Links, you should find an option saying Create an API Key. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be greeted by a screen asking you to create a new key. Click on the Create Key button, which will prompt you to assign a name to your new key. Pick a name that's descriptive if you're planning to create multiple keys. This will help you understand its intended use at a glance. After naming your key, you'll need to define its scope. Scopes typically determine what resources or actions your API key can access. Carefully select the scope based on what you need your API key to do. Once you've named your key and set its scope, click on Create Key again to finalize the process. Your new API key should now be generated, and you'll see it displayed on the screen. Remember, this key acts like a password for your application's access to Elevenlabs services, so it's crucial to keep it secure. The final step is to copy your newly created key to the clipboard. You might want to paste it into a document or a password manager for safekeeping. And there you have it. You've successfully generated an API key on Elevenlabs. Now, you can utilize this key to integrate and communicate with Elevenlabs services in your applications. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.